Google Map gave me two options. I let Google Map choose. You know what I got? I got this. This road. All shaky, shaky roads.
ये कुछ बेचते हो क्या?
नहीं हम यात्रा पर हैं।
नहीं
हाँ हाँ साइकिल तो मस्त है। They were saying that you have got an excellent bicycle, and I said, yeah, it is. So when I was riding through this village, there were different activities of routine life happening. A lady was filling the water. There was a temple made outside the house. This is what they used to make that compost fertilizer. The animals, they were tied up outside. I saw a group sitting and I greeted them saying good morning. Hello, good morning. So this is how the Indian villages look like, and I enjoy being here more than being at a highway or in a big city. Namaskar. You smell that cow dung, you smell that village life, and I feel that's the most beautiful feeling of being at such a place. Vijay, we have just crossed a village. See those big trees, little kids. Soon I came out of the village, and this is when I got a realization. I feel I'm very shy. I cannot start the conversation. I cannot initiate the talks. The village which I was crossing, initially I was so reserved. I was looking straight. People were looking at me, and I was just riding without looking at them, without smile. With lots of courage, I could say good morning to one and namaskar to second person. That's all. That's all. No conversation, no talks. Whatever conversations you have seen, those are the conversations which were initiated by themselves, like himself or herself. And if you are into the field of content creation, that's very important that you go and initiate and talk. So I think let's take a challenge today. I will try to overcome my this agitation, this reservedness, and I will start initiating the conversation. Let's see how it happens. Will I be able to do it? Let's do it with 5, okay? अभी से लग रहा है कि बहुत मुश्किल है, क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं, सिंपल राइड ही कर लूँ यार. Anyways, okay, let's see. Right now I'm riding to Gokarn Ghat, and Gokarn Ghat has got an excellent story. The first chapter of Bhagavad Gita was written around the story of Gokarn. And let's hear that story in the language of a local.
ये भागवत पुराण जो है भगवान श्री कृष्ण के मुखार बिंद से इसका प्राकट्य हुआ है.
भागवत पुराण की पहली कथा स्टार्ट है और
धुंधकारी से ही प्रारंभ होती है. धुंधकारी और गोकर्ण ये दोनों 2 भाई थे. और धुंधकारी जो है अत्याचारी था और गोकर्ण जो था वो विद्वान था.
पहले देश का गोकर्ण घाट से.
हाँ, उसी ने जो है उनके अपने भाई के मोक्ष के लिए जो है श्रीमद् भागवत कथा सुनी. उस कथा में जो है बांस गाड़ा जाता है तो 7 गांठें होती हैं उसमें. वही गांठ चटकी थी, तभी जो है धुंधकारी निकला था. ये श्रीमद् भागवत कथा जो है ये प्रेत योनि से मोक्ष के लिए है.
I'm sure you must have enjoyed listening to this story.
ये लिखा है माँ गंगा पावन धाम गोकना, दूरी 1 किलोमीटर.
I can see the ghat. I think I'm very close.
This is how we used to ride our bicycles when we were small kids. I was a small kid like them, and the bicycle was very high. It was very difficult to sit on even the seat and ride. So we used to ride it this way.
This is the way to the Gokarn Ghat. I left my bicycle very far from the ghat, and I was really concerned about its safety all the time. Now this challenge time. There were lots of people engaged into different kind of activities, and I was thinking how the hell I can go and start a conversation and ask for a favor, but I could not. Maybe Ganga Maya helped me at that time. And this kid, he came up, I gave him the camera and asked him to record a video for me. And this is the video of a formal start of the day. Hey all, welcome once again to another episode of Listening to Ganga series.
This is the place where I am, known as Gokarn Ghat. Gokarn Ghat is the place where Bhagwan Sri Krishna, when he was first time telling the Bhagavad Gita, the very first story which he told about the place is this. As you know, this series is a effort to understand the Ganga between the big cities, the big name like Haridwar and Rishikesh to Prayagraj and Varanasi. So we are finding out how the Ganga is between the big name, big cities. So let's start the journey from this place, which is known as Gokarn Ghat. At Gokarn Ghat, the construction work is going on. Here on the bank of Ganga, you will see the animals, cow and dog, and the people. They are living together. I saw the people, they were burning the dead bodies on the bank of Ganga. And this is a very common ritual. एक दिन सब ऐसे ही आते हैं छोड़ने के लिए. Once for all, final time. Then nobody can see you. This fire, it will burn everything. So after burning the dead bodies, there is a ritual to come and take the bath in Ganga before returning to home. I don't know why and how, but I had a different kind of a vibe at this place. Maybe in a very small span of an area, lots of contrasting things were happening. People, they were there busy in the routine activities. Boating was happening, bathing were happening, and the dead bodies were burning just beside them. कैसे आना हुआ इधर?
मिट्टी में है।
मिट्टी मिट्टी क्या होता है?
दाह से लेके
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, दाह संस्कार, तो उसको मिट्टी कहते हैं. कितने दूर है गाँव आप?
यहाँ से 60 किलोमीटर है।
इतनी दूर क्यों लेके आते हैं? वहाँ पे भी तो है.
नहीं, वहाँ गंगा जी नहीं है।
वहाँ गंगा जी नहीं है.
जी हाँ।
From this interaction, I could understand that those who live on the bank of Ganga, they can bring the dead body here, and those who live far from the Ganga, they need to carry the dead body in a vehicle, and then they do the final process here at the bank of Ganga, and then they go back after taking a bath.
हाँ जी।
धन्यवाद, आप सबसे बात करके.
ठीक है साहब, आपको भी।
Having different type of emotions after this visit to Gokarn Ghat, I returned to my bicycle. And because I was overwhelmed with lots of different thoughts and energies in me, so I thought to sit there for some time and calm down. The moment I was about to start the journey, 2 or 3 locals, they approached me, and they also narrated the same story of Gokarn Ghat from Bhagavad.
इसका वेदों में वर्णन है गोकर्ण धाम. उस पार हंसवाली रहते, उस पार गोकर्ण जी रहते. वो श्रीमद् भागवत कथा
हाँ, तो फतेहपुर में कौन रहता है?
धुंधकारी, इनके भाई
धुंधकारी.
वो राक्षसी प्रवृत्ति के थे. जब वो खत्म हो गए, मर गए, तो उनकी आत्मा इनको अपने भाई के पास आती थी कि भैया मेरे मोक्ष कराओ, अदरवाइज हमें बहुत ज्यादा प्रताड़ित किया जा रहा है. तो इन्होंने मतलब यहाँ पे भागवत करी है यहीं पे.
अच्छा.
और यहीं पे उनका उद्धार हुआ, मोक्ष हो गया, स्वर्ग चले गए भागवत कथा से. वहीं से ये प्रक्रिया फिर श्रीमद् भागवत कथा की शुरू हुई. वह गोकर्ण यही धाम है, यहीं से शुरुआत.
ये तो शुरुआत.
जैसे
बहुत धन्यवाद.
I listened to them patiently with all the peace which I could get from the Ganga. At that time, I was not thinking about the challenge. It has gone away from my mind. Soon I started riding towards the city. Our next target is to reach Prayagraj.
Sangam 90 kilometers. Kunda 33. So there is a ghat in Kunda. Let's target that.
This was the evening time. The sun was about to set and I was feeling very hungry. So I thought to have the only meal of the day, and I wanted to have it with luxury. So at a roadside dhaba, I had roti with a very tasty dish.
Can you see sunset is happening? 30 minutes more. Then it will be dark.
The day was about to get over and I was thinking, what about that challenge of approaching to 5 people? Am I able to do that? And the answer was no.
So the target of 5 unknown people I supposed to go and talk, that's gone. I didn't even feel that I should go and talk to anybody. But tomorrow we are going to Kunda. Kunda is a very special place. One very important incident of Ramayana happened there. But I'll tell you tomorrow about that. Let's continue the journey and reach to Kunda first, which is 30 more kilometers from here.
Because I was riding on the highway, I saw a petrol pump.
It's a small pump. I think I should skip. Go to the next one. Outside the city. Okay, first pump on my left. If it is big enough, I'll go and ask. Not that big. Seems I have to skip this one also. Manikpur is the name of the place.
I skipped 2 or 3 another pump due to unknown reasons, but I was riding in the dark. And this is when I thought to go back to the challenge, and maybe Ganga Maya through this is giving me an opportunity to interact with a few more people and see if I can really do that. Thinking about it, I was searching for the prospect. A prospect to whom I can approach and I can start the conversation by asking a favor.
Not even a single person I can find to whom I can speak and ask. Everybody is engaged or busy or staying very far from the road. मेरा वो जो चैलेंज है वो तो नहीं यहाँ पे पूरा हो जाएगा जो मैं खुद जाके अप्रोच करूँगा किसी से करूँ क्या ओके
And finally, I could do that.
पूछो किससे पूछूं ये जो आ रहा है इससे पूछता हूँ है यहाँ पे कोई धर्मशाला या आश्रम है रुकने के लिए
धर्मशाला
मतलब जहाँ पैसा वैसा ना देना पड़े
अब तो आगे आ गए हो अब नहीं तो मंदिर थी वहाँ पास धर्मशाला था वहाँ एक चौराहा आगे मिला होगा एक ये वाला चौराहा हो गया जो अभी मिला है
हाँ
इससे उस साइड वाला है
आगे कुछ नहीं है
आगे का दिक्कत है ना
वाले को पीछे जाने को नहीं बोला करो कबूल
या भी एक काम कर लो
हाँ
ये जब मंदिर दिख रही ना यहीं पे आप जाके जो भी खाना पीना हो खा के आराम से लेट जाना है
ऐसा कनेक्शन वगैरह चाहिए हो
तो वो जो बोर्ड लगा है वहाँ हमारी किराने की दुकान है
हाँ
वहाँ पे आप आ जाना मोबाइल चार्ज कर दीजिए आपसे
मैंने एक ही चीज सीखी है 4 सालों में घूम के
हाँ
अकेले में मत रुको चाहे वो मंदिर ही क्यों ना हो कोई ना कोई होना चाहिए
या फिर चलो यहाँ पे रुकवा दें कमरे में रुकेंगे सामने जो दिख रहे हैं
ये जो अच्छा
हाँ हाँ ये ऐसे बना हुआ है
दुकानें बनाई है नहीं
हाँ एक बुढ़ा है वो लेटा हुआ है ना जो
हाँ
वही लेटा रहेगा बगल वाले रूम में आप लेट जाना बात कर लूँ उनसे वो
शटर खुलेगा
शटर खुला है बंद नहीं है शटर
अच्छा खुला हुआ है
हाँ शटर नहीं लगा है
फिर
इतना करवा सकते हैं काम अगर आपको रुकना है
कनेक्शन है उसमें
बिजली कनेक्शन है
टॉयलेट बाथरूम कुछ है
टॉयलेट बाथरूम तो यहाँ आसपास नहीं है आपको इधर जाना पड़ेगा इधर से
काम
निकल
करते हैं आगे पंप कितना दूर है मैं पंप पे कोशिश करता
हाँ,
हूँ
पंप पे।
टॉयलेट भी मिल जाए
ठीक ठीक ठीक
कितना दूर
आप यहाँ से पड़ेगा मान लीजिए 3-4 किलोमीटर
ठीक
है
है ओके बढ़िया आदमी था यार कितने ऑप्शन दे दिए
Absolutely. This boy was very kind and helping. He gave me different options. I think that is the quality of we Indians. We are helpful by nature.
आइए जाइए But did you notice that I spoke to a stranger and I chose the person like we decided, but the count was 5, which I did not do. He said it is 3 kilometers. Already I have covered 8, and 8 more kilometers if I go, I reach to Kunda. Very strange, huh? No pump in between.
It was 8:30.
Let's go and ask if they can allow me to stay there. अभी रात हो गया ना तो रुकने के लिए जगह चाहिए मेरे पास टेंट वगैरह सब है तो बस यहाँ रहूंगा ना आप लोगों के पास थोड़ा सेफ्टी रहे
ठीक है कोई बात
है ना जहाँ किधर शूट करता है कहाँ लगा दूँ
लगवा देंगे कोई बात नहीं तो मैं साइकिल ऐसे ही खड़ा कर दी
हाँ इधर लगा पेट्रोल पंप पे गार्ड नहीं देखा वो भी गन लेकर के कभी है पहली बार ही देखा है
चोरी हो रहा था इधर बगल
अच्छा
ये जो है
ट्रक खड़ा है
डीजल निकाल रहे थे
हाँ
ये क्या किए 5 मिनट अपना चक्कर लगा के 1.5 मारते हुए गोली तुरंत चलाता था एकदम कारतूस एकदम लोडिंग रहती है बंदूक में
क्या
1 मिनट आँख नहीं लगता है इनको
क्या
हम गार्ड बहुत देखे मगर वो सोते हैं झपकी मार लेते हैं मगर ये झपकी नहीं मार सकते
अच्छा
12 घंटे ड्यूटी है तो 12 घंटे पूरा जाग के ही ड्यूटी देंगे भले सेल्समैन सो जाएंगे
अच्छा
मगर गार्ड साहब नहीं सोएंगे
बहुत डेडिकेटेड इंसान है यार
जी जी
पर यहाँ ऐसा कोई चोरी का केस तो नहीं हुआ ना पेट्रोल पंप के ऊपर
यहाँ कोई चोरी कुछ नहीं हुआ।
सेफ्टी के लिए गार्ड रखा है बस
गार्ड इसलिए रखे हैं कि ये सेफ्टी रहे
सेफ्टी रहे
While this conversation with the staff, they were telling me about different stories about the place, the locality, and how risky it is to ride there in the dark at night. Nobody is safe in this area.
शीशा काट के आपसे निकाल के लेके चले जाएंगे
हाय हाय हाय
पता ही नहीं चलता
मेरे को लोगों ने बोला इस एरिया में अंधेरे में नहीं चलना बहुत खतरनाक है ऐसा सच है ये
हाँ खतरनाक है सर
है ना
खतरनाक मानिकपुर पड़ता है
हाँ मानिकपुर से
मानिकपुर से आप सीधा ये बाईपास जाएंगे,
हाँ
ये पूरा आपको मिलेगा सन्नाटा ही रोड मिलेगा।
हाँ
कोई दुकान नहीं मिलेगा आपको 15 किलोमीटर की रेंज में, और ना कोई चाय वाला, ना तम्बाकू वाला, ना गुटखा वाला, कोई नहीं मिलेगा 15 किलोमीटर।
क्योंकि लूटपाट है इस इलाके में।
A local asked me to give him a chance to ride the bicycle. चलाने के बाद चेंज होगा. Asking for food and people are escaping. ये लो इधर आओ. ये ले इधर आ. खाना है? भूख लगी है? आ जाओ इधर आओ. ये भी है, ठीक है? इसको भी ले सकते हो तुम. It's 8 o'clock. Yes, I do. Put your tent here and this. Okay. That night, I pitched my tent in the corridor and covered my bicycle with the tarp sheet and slept. So this day started from the Asni Ghat, and we came to know the story of Asni, which you must have seen in the previous episode. After that, we visited Dalmao. Dalmao is a place where they celebrate Holi after 3 days, and that is a very, very interesting story. I'm sure you are aware of it now. From there, after riding few kilometers, I reached Gokarna Ghat, which is again a ghat of very, very high importance. So this is how the day came to an end. There are lots of other stories also which were narrated by the locals. So what I'm thinking, I will keep them with me and make a separate episode, because those are the stories in Hindi. So I will be releasing them on my Hindi channel, Cycling Beast. That's all for now. Take lots of care of yourself, and we will meet soon with the story of a new day in the next video. May Ganga Maiya bless you all. Jai Ganga Maiya.